Hey, good day everyone. I'm super excited to bring you these replacement batteries for Dewalt products and for products that accept Dewalt batteries. But this is a really nice battery kit because you get two batteries and a charger as well. And so you can charge all your Dewalt batteries up with this thing too. Here's a look at them. It's got a battery level indicator on there as well. So you press that button, it'll tell you how much juice you have left in them. And then you just push this for removal, and for insertion you just snap it in. And then for this thing here, the charger comes with a nice cord here that you just plug in right there. Plug it right into the wall. You want to charge, put that right in there, and when it's done, you get an indicator right here. Here's the table of the different icons. Tells you what your levels are. What I have here is an impact angle wrench, angle driver that accepts Dewalt batteries. Slides right in there. I really like it for this application because you can see it keeps everything, this slim design here keeps everything in line. You know, sometimes you can get a bulky battery out here and it can kind of mess up your center of gravity, but this is going to work great for this tool here. And I have a Dewalt pressure washer here, right there. Here's the battery compartment. Just pops open like that. Take your nice new replacement battery, slide it in there, and ready to go. Really nice. Really happy with this kit. Okay, I got the charger all plugged in. You can see I got a yellow blinking light there. And that light lets me know that it's charging up. All right, really happy with this thing. Great battery kit here. Thanks for watching, everybody.